MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 are two of the most popular Forex trading platforms. But which one should you use? Moreover, if you're already using MetaTrader 4, should you switch to MetaTrader 5? There are three main differences between MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5: number of markets, tools for market analysis, and algorithmic trading. Today, we are going to walk you through each core difference so you get a better understanding of which MetaTrader version is the right one for you. Stay tuned! As you may know, there is a big debate across Forex forums in regards to MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Both versions were created by MetaQuotes, a Russian software company. Although some years ago it seemed like MetaTrader 5 was a failure and MetaTrader 4 was going to prevail strongly forever, during the past couple of years, the trend has reversed, and MetaTrader 5 usage has been growing steadily. Plus, there is a significant number of brokers promoting it. This has raised some questions in regard to MetaTrader 4 continuity. Now, let's jump to see the differences. Number of markets. The main reason why MetaQuotes developed MT5 is to enable access to markets that are not available in MT4. That includes major stock markets as well. MetaTrader 4 is great for the decentralized, open, and highly unregulated global scale of the Forex market. And yeah, access to more markets can be beneficial for experienced traders that want to trade shares from companies like Apple or Amazon. However, for most Forex traders, this doesn't make much of a difference. Moving on to tools for market analysis. The first difference here is related to chart timeframes. While MetaTrader 4 only offers 9 timeframes, MetaTrader 5 offers 21 timeframes. This can give traders an edge for a deeper analysis of the market. Then we have indicators. MetaTrader 4 offers 30 built-in indicators and 24 analytical objects. Also, there are over 2,000 free custom indicators and 700 available for purchase. In contrast, MetaTrader 5 has 38 technical indicators, 44 analytical objects, and offers an unlimited number of charts. MT4 has a limit of 128 charts. Like to keep close track of economic events? One of the most convenient features of MT5 is that it offers an economic calendar with critical events that can impact the market. As MT4 doesn't have an economic calendar, some traders use the Forex factory calendar as a turnaround to track events or perform fundamental analysis. Moving on to the third core difference: algorithmic trading. MetaTrader 4 uses a programming language called MQL4, while MetaTrader 5 uses MQL5. MQL4 might be more suitable for beginners due to its simplicity when creating scripts, indicators, and EAs. In contrast, MQL5 is an object-oriented program, OOP, based on C++, which is more complex but gives professional algorithmic traders more room for advanced commands and calculations. An important note here is that you cannot simply transfer your MQL4 code into MQL5. Meaning there is no backward compatibility. A high percentage of traders use EAs or custom indicators and scripts in their trading. Moving these from MQL4 to MQL5 would be a very costly and time-consuming exercise. On the other hand, MetaTrader 5 has two main advantages on this front versus MetaTrader 4: the multi-currency strategy tester and its speed for testing and optimization. MT5 is hundreds of times faster. To sum up, MetaTrader 4 remains the most popular and preferred Forex trading platform for beginners due to its simplicity and ease of use. MQL4 is more friendly to get started with algorithmic trading and EAs. However, MetaTrader 5 has unique features, and it seems that MetaQuotes is heavily invested in MT5's development. The conclusion for experienced programmers is a bit different. If you think you will need the multi-currency strategy tester as well as the very fast testing and optimization, then maybe give MT5 a shot. However, it will only be worth it if you can commit to building your systems from scratch.